Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Sorry it's been a few days since I had a video out, but I've been working on 2 or 3 different videos, and I'm still trying to get some footage for the other 2 right now. So this one here, I got the footage taken care of today, so I went ahead and finished that up. So now I'm doing the video, and I just want you to know, I make no money whatsoever doing these videos, and I spend quite a bit of time actually getting the footage and then going ahead and editing it, and so I just want you to know that it does take a little effort and a little time. This is Chiang Mai. It's a Thai tea. You should try it if and when you're ever in Thailand, and I would hope that you guys would come to Thailand and spend some time here, you know, like maybe check out some of the exhibits and stuff that are around the Chiang Mai area, you know. And it's always nice if you want to go fishing, you know, go ahead and you know, do some fishing, because fishing's really good around here. Or, you know, if you want to do something else, like, you know, maybe go play golf or something like that. I like, oops, back to fishing, back to golf. I like playing golf, but I'm not any good at it. I personally suck at the game, but anyhow, you all know I'm an Okie from the United States, so it's the name of my channel. But anyhow, today's video is about a place called East West Seed Research Facility. And it's real close to our house, and we're just north of Chiang Mai. So if you're ever in the Chiang Mai area, Google it up, and if you're lucky, you'll be able to come out and see one of the exhibits that they have. This is probably a 3 or 4 rye plot of land that they go out there, and every couple years they plant all kinds of different seeds to produce all at the same time, and then they invite buyers from worldwide to come in. They bus them in here, fly them into the airport, and then they bus them up here and treat them to all kinds of good things, you know, a great meal I'm sure, and drinks, and take them around and let them tour the seed beddings that they put out. And it's pretty neat. They're probably going to open this up in a couple weeks. I talked to the guard that was there today, and between him and I, you know, him not speaking English and me not speaking very much Thai, I think we settled on about 2 weeks. They're going to be ready to bring those people in. And as soon as they're done, it'll take almost a week to get them all through all the stages as shown. They open it up for the village people around here, which means us. And my intentions are to go in there with the wife the first morning that they open it up for us, and get a bunch of the produce, and then go ahead and bring it home, use the seeds to help out in our garden. So I hope you enjoy this video. You will not believe this place. It is really kind of neat, and I hope my video does it justice. So talk to y'all later.